If the display shows PF and emits a beep, the temperature sensors are not working properly. In this case, please contact your local customer service team. If the appliance turns off unexpectedly, first check that the plug is still connected to the outlet. It may be that the set temperature has been reached or the time set on the timer has elapsed. If a flashing dot appears on the display and the product emits a beep and switches off, the tip-over switch has been activated. Make sure the appliance is completely upright and on a flat surface. If the display shows CF, the filter has reached the predefined number of hours of use. Replace the filter and reset the alarm. To reset the CF alarm, in rapid succession insert the plug and press and hold the on or standby button on the unit for at least 10 seconds until you hear a long beep. If the display shows HT or IT blinking, then the internal temperature is too high. The air intake or outlet grill is obstructed. Check the appliance is correctly positioned, respecting the minimum distances from the wall or objects as indicated on the instruction manual. If not, position the appliance correctly. Remove any obstructions. Finally, disconnect the plug from the outlet and let the appliance cool down. After a few minutes, plug the appliance back in again. If the display shows FI, the fan motor is not working. Disconnect the plug from the outlet. After a few minutes, plug the appliance back in again. If any of these issues persist, please contact your local customer service team.